Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the source and or target language on the Google Translate application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now, as you can see at the top of the screen, there are two languages selected. On the left side of the screen, you can always find the source language. That's the language that you want to translate. And on the right side, you can see the target language. So if you want to change any of these, just simply tap on the relevant one, and then you can type in the language that you are searching for into the search bar. Or if you scroll down, you can select from all these languages to select that one language of your preferences. So tap on it, and you can also do this with the target language. So that's the translate that you would like to translate from, and the other one is the translate to. So you just write in or type in the word, and then you will be able to see the English equivalent of that particular word or text that you wanted to translate down below. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.